Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best hosting or discount available right now, you're in exactly the right place. So stick around because I'm about to save you some serious money. Let me get straight to the point. There are two ways to get a discount on Hostinger: using a coupon code or using my special partnership link in the description. And here's the key difference. With a coupon code, you get only 10% off. But if you go through my exclusive partnership link, you unlock an extra 20% discount. That's double the savings, and it takes the same amount of effort. Now, let me show you a real example so you can see exactly why your purchase decision matters. I'm using Hostinger Business Web Hosting here, but this applies to any plan you choose. When I bought a single year of business hosting, I paid around $41 up front, but my renewal cost jumped to approximately $95 after that first year. Now here's where it gets interesting. If I had simply chosen the 48-month plan from the start, the total cost came out to just $108 for 4 full years. That's basically 2 years free compared to renewing annually. So the lesson is simple. Always go with the longest duration you can. Maximum duration equals maximum savings. And here's another bonus. When you go with the higher duration plan, you also get a free domain and 3 extra months thrown in automatically. So you're winning on multiple levels. Now here's how to claim your discount. Click the link in the description or the comment section. I've added links for every country in your local language and currency, so no confusion there. Once you land on Hostinger's page, scroll down or use the nav bar to select your desired product, whether that's web hosting, VPS, cloud hosting, website builder, Hostinger Horizon, or business web email. The 20% partnership discount applies across all of them. One important tip: always sign up with a fresh email address that hasn't been used on Hostinger before. This ensures you get the best new customer pricing. Don't worry if the pricing on screen appears in US dollars. When you visit through your local country-specific link, everything will automatically switch to your local currency and language. That's everything you need to know. Go grab your link from the description or comments, pick your plan, choose the longest duration, and enjoy premium hosting at the lowest price possible. Happy hosting or hosting, and I'll see you in the next one.